Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to edit your PDF free, quick and easy. So let's get started. Open any web browser and search for Sejda PDF, and then you will get this first link www.sejda.com. Just open that link and click on edit a PDF document, or you can visit this website directly www.sejda.com. Just click on edit the PDF document. Here you have to upload your PDF file. So I'm having one sample invoice file. I'll upload that file. After that, here you can see this is my PDF, and suppose if I want to edit this name, I can edit right like this. I can enter my name here, or in number also. If you want to edit the numbers, you can directly click and edit this number to anything. Here also you can edit any number, any format in same font that you are having already. So you will get many options, like you can make it bold, italic, and you can give color also, and you can add or create any link. Suppose I have to change final amount, so I can change this to anything like this. Okay, so this is my final amount. Now after doing all the changes, let's change color for this name. If I want to change color, I can change the color of that name right like this. If you want to add any name, you can add any name like this, invoice. I'll make it black. Okay, in this way you can add new image also. Click on new image, and from here you can add any new image to this document like this. I can add any image in document, whiteout. I can annotate. You can use annotations. Then I can use shapes. If I want to add square shape, I can add square shape here, right? Like this. Here undo option also you will get. So forms also you can add if you want to add check boxes, signature box, radio button, drop down list. So there are many options. After doing all the changes, just go downside and click on apply changes, and here click on keep. Now here you can download your PDF. Just click on download and it will download your edited PDF. Now let's see. This is our edited PDF, right? We have added one image, one shape. In this way, using Sejda PDF, you can edit your PDF quick and easily from your browser. You don't have to install any software in your laptop. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.